Okay, I'm going to interview a cat. This cat right here sleeps outside 20 hours a day. The other 4 hours a day, he sleeps inside. We're going to talk to him about this. Hey, oh, wow, wow. How are you, Daddy? Are you doing sweepy? Hmm? You don't know? I can't see them eyes of yours. Let me see them eyes. That's it? Okay, you gonna go back to bed now? Okay. Let's see into that. And his girlfriend, Mrs. Wabbit, right there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. She's just looking for a little chipmunk. And when I talk to her, he wags his tail. See? Oh, what a boy. What a boy. Oh, yeah. Now he's getting up. Oh, look in there. Gonna go back to bed? Huh? Good night, buddy.